Hi students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Yeah, we have been discussing about Unit 1, A reading, peace and harmony. We have been discussing about Unit 1, A reading, peace and harmony. It is a lesson about all the animals staying together, living together happily, roaming here and there, and enjoying themselves with one another, appreciating each other in a forest. They also used to have musical evenings where they used to invite moon and stars as their guests. They used to sing songs, perform gymnastics, as well as all type of cultural events they used to conduct. Like this, they were being lived happily. Unfortunately, a jackal entered into the forest and poisoned all the animals, complaining about one on the other, and through this jackal or through the jackal's poisoning mind, all the animals began suspecting one another, and they moved to their own groups, or they started living individual. Slowly, what the jackal did was, the jackal killed all the animals and started eating all the smaller ones. When the smaller ones cried for the help, the bigger animals did not come because they were poisoned by the jackal. So in this way, all the smaller animals gradually disappeared or vanished, or were killed by the jackal and eaten. So by this, the jungle became messy, and the jungle slept with fear, which means all the animals afraid of each other. So by looking at this, the moon felt very bad and he cried, and he came in the form of sadhu among the animals to solve their problems and to save those animals from that cunning jackal. So soon after sadhu's coming, the animals came to him and poured down their anguish, which means they told all the problems that they had. So the sadhu was listening to them keenly and attentively. So up to there we finished yesterday. So students, take your textbook and your notebook as well. Follow while I read and write down the hard words so that I can clarify you through WhatsApp or when we have doubts section. So follow the one. The sadhu brought together the lions and the rabbits for a common meal. The sadhu brought together the lions and the rabbits for a common meal. He visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. So this sadhu started clearing all the problems among the animals. He went and he called all the rabbits and the lions for a common meal. So they will have a common meal, means in general they all will sit and have a meal. He visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. He also went to the python and the viper who had long bodies. He also chatted with them, which means he had a long talk with them. He heard about their problems and all. He advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks and that had lost their mother. So that jackal must have killed their chick's mother. So this sadhu instructed or advised the eagle not to kill the chicks because they don't have their mother. The sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. He also, after visiting the eagle, he went to the tiger and the wild bear, and he went with them, along with them, by talking and listening to their problems, to the market, nearest market. He played with the bulbul and the owl and the monkeys. Bulbul is a bird. Okay, bulbul, it is a bird. He also played with the bulbul and the owl and the monkeys. So he played with them. He also heard their problems. So like this, Sadhu was listening to all their problems and coming to an understanding. But the jackal was very angry with what the Sadhu was doing. But one side, the Sadhu is clearing all the problems and listening to the animals' problems. The other side, the jackal is very angry for what Sadhu was doing, because the jackal came and created mess or problems among the animals, but the Sadhu came and hearing the problems and trying to rectify those problems. That's why the jackal was very angry with the Sadhu, what he was doing. He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony, so he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the Sadhu. So what is the jackal's intention here? The jackal's intention is not to leave the animals to live in peace and harmony. In other words, the jackal did not want all the animals to live peacefully and in harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the Sadhu. So this jackal is waiting for an attack, an opportunity, a chance to kill Sadhu, because he came to rectify or clear the problems and unite all the animals. That's why jackal was very angry, and the jackal was trying to get an opportunity to kill the Sadhu. One day, the animals, insects and birds held an emergency meeting, and they unanimously means unitedly, okay, unitedly. One day, the animals, insects and birds held an emergency meeting, and they anonymously decided to approach the Sadhu and pleaded means asked, requested means requested, pleaded with him to kill the jackal. So one day, all the animals in the jungle, they had unanimously, unitedly, together, they kept an emergency meeting among themselves. Okay, they came to Sadhu and they kept a meeting. So deciding that, they requested the Sadhu to kill the jackal. Okay, they requested the Sadhu to kill the jackal, because this was the only animal which was creating problems among them. That's why they held an emergency meeting and requested Sadhu to kill the jackal. The Sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal, but will help you in a different way. So Sadhu replied peacefully, said that, no, I will not kill the jackal, but I will help you in a different way. So he gave an assurance to the animals. When the sun went to sleep, the jackal came out to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. So that day became night. So as usually, the jackal came out and went to the chicks, and it was about to take some of the chicks as the supper or night meal. The Sadhu, who had been lodging nearby, came out of the house and spoke to the jackal, take me today for your meal. So immediately, when the jackal came to eat the chicks, the Sadhu who was staying there came immediately outside and asked the jackal to take him as a meal. Okay, Sadhu said to the jackal, you eat me instead of eating chicks, so that I will be a meal to you. The jackal, who had been waiting for this opportunity, dragged the Sadhu and ran into the jungle. So already jackal was waiting for a chance to kill Sadhu. Opportunity means chance. Okay, it was waiting for a chance to kill Sadhu. Now the chance came in the form of a meal. So the Sadhu himself came and told Jackal that to have a meal him. That's why that's why Jackal made use of this opportunity, and immediately it dragged the Sadhu into the jungle. He took the Sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces and ate him up. So the Jackal dragged the Sadhu into a lonely place in the forest and dragged him means it tore him into pieces and ate him. The animals were very sad, angry and disappointed with what had happened to Sadhu. So by seeing this, the animals all became very much disappointed. They thought that Sadhu would help them. Okay, they became very angry as well as afraid. Okay, so by seeing this, what had happened? They were afraid that the hungry jackal would appear again the next day. They were all afraid that the jackal would appear again the next day and kill the smaller animals. Then they heard a strange noise. Suddenly they were talking like this, all the animals were talking like this. So they were feeling very sad for the Sadhu. Some were angry, became angry, some became afraid. So like this way they were having a conversation. Then suddenly all the animals had a strange noise. Strange means new, unique. Strange, unique or new. Okay, all the animals heard a strange noise. All of them ran in that direction. So all of them, when they heard that strange noise, all of them ran into that direction. What they saw surprised them. They saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. So immediately they ran and see what happened. Okay, they saw what was happening. So they were surprised to see what they saw. Okay, slowly the jackal's stomach was becoming bigger and bigger after eating the Sadhu. It continued to bloat until it burst. Bloat means become bigger or bigger. Okay, become bigger or swell, become bigger. Okay, the jackal's stomach was bloating until it burst. Okay, it became bigger and suddenly the jackal's stomach was broken. Then they heard a soft voice. My animals, birds and insects live in peace and harmony. After dying the jackal, they heard a soft voice whispering to them. So what that voice was telling, may my animals, birds and insects live in peace and harmony. So that voice said, all the animals now onwards live peacefully and happily, because the difficult or problem was removed away, which means the jackal was killed or the jackal died. So all the problems now, all the animals will not have any problems. May there be no fences around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid. So now onwards you can enjoy once again. You can live together happily. You can roam happily. You can dance happily. You can have musical evenings happily. But remember that you will not have once again fences or boundaries around you, which means you will not have any problems among you. You will not have any differences among you. So remember me and be not afraid, the Sadhu said. Okay, Sadhu came, the moon came in the form of Sadhu. So it said, okay, remember me and be not afraid, all the animals, the Sadhu said. When they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. So all the animals, when they look up at the sky, they saw that the moons and the stars were very bright and brilliant and giving milky brightness. Milky brightness means pure whiteness on the earth, which means they are showering their blessings. The animals once again started to roam, sing and sleep in peace. So now onwards, when the problem was cleared, now all the animals started to live once again peacefully and sing danced and roamed happily in the jungle. They broke down the fences which they had built. Earlier, they had built fences around them, their places. So now all the animals destroyed all the fences which they built around their places. They invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. So once again, the animals started having cultural evenings or musical evenings during the night. So that time they also invited the moon and the stars as their guests. So with this we end up our unit 1 reading A, peace and harmony. So students, I hope you understood the lesson. What is the lesson moral are? To learn, we have to remove the bad in us. We have to remove the bad from us, and we have to look all the animals, or we have to look all the people generously, kindly. We should not poison the minds of the others through our words. We should not hurt anybody. So look at the glossary. Repeat after me. Gymnastics, physical exercises. Property, objects or things owned by somebody. Woe, extreme sadness. Harmony, a state of living together peacefully, unanimously, unitedly. Bloat, become bigger and bigger, or swell and pleasantly. Once again, gymnastics, physical exercises, that the exercise we do not regularly, jumping or we do many exercises, they are called as gymnastics. Property, things or objects that are owned by somebody. We have so many properties. Woe, extreme sadness. We have sometimes we are very much sad. That is called woe. Harmony, a state of living together peacefully. Our title also saying harmony, where we stay or where we live together peacefully without any problems. Unanimously, unitedly, together. Okay, together. Bloat, become bigger and bigger and bigger, which means swell in other words. Okay, so students, repeat after and underline all the hard words so that I will come respond to you through WhatsApp. Now come to page number 5. Come to page number 4. You can see there, read the paragraph and analyze the terms of cause and effect or consequence. One has been done for you. See there, cause and consequence. All the animals in the forest were friendly. That was the cause. What is the consequence? What is the result? The jackal could not eat any animal because they were all together. No, that's why the jackal could not eat any animal. That is the result. So now I give you homework. You complete all that reading that paragraph and write the causes. Causes means reasons and the result what happened, and send it through me through WhatsApp so that I can correct you and send you back. Okay. So students, once again, you read the lesson from starting to ending and underline the hard words. Send it to me. And if you have any doubts regarding this, when we have doubt section, we shall discuss and we shall go to the other lesson. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.